Dear student, today's topic is quadrilateral, a new chapter from your reference book R.S. Agarwal. What is quadrilateral? A polygon having four sides is said to be a quadrilateral. So it is a polygon and all the sides are straight line segment. So it is a quadrilateral and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it is quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. The sides of the quadrilateral are AB, BC, CD and DA. Now one theorem. It has, and quadrilateral has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And it has two diagonal. These are the two diagonal. Now one theorem. Sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. AC and BD are the two diagonal, and these are the four angle: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now prove that angle ABC, that means this angle, plus angle BCD means this angle, plus angle CDA means this angle, plus angle DAB means this angle is equal to 360 degree. Draw the diagonal AC and BD, already drawn. Now here one thing, sum of these two angles, angle BAC, that means this angle plus this angle equal to angle BAD, that means angle BAC plus angle DAC equal to angle DAB or angle BAD, and also sum of these two angles equal to angle BCD, that means angle BCA plus angle DCA equal to angle BCD. It is written, it is relation 1 and 2. Now in triangle ABC, in the figure, triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle BCA plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree, because we know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It is written there, in triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle BCA plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles of a triangle 180 degree. And angle ADC, here in triangle ADC, angle DAC plus angle DCA, that means this plus this angle equal to 180 degree. It is written here, angle DAC plus angle DCA plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree. This is relation 4. Now adding 3 and 4, find the sum of this relation, left hand side plus left hand side equal to right hand side plus right hand side. So BAC plus BCA here plus ABC plus this relation, this angle equal to 180 plus 180 here. Now we arrange it, BAC plus DAC, BAC plus DAC plus BCA plus DCA, BCA plus DCA plus angle ABC here plus angle ADC equal to 180 plus 180, 360. Now using the relation 1 and 2, sum of these two angle equal to DAB plus sum of these two angle equal to BCD plus ABC, angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 360 degree. So this proves that sum of four angles of a quadrilateral ABCD is 360 degree. Now exercise 15. Let the fourth angle is x degree. Three angles of the quadrilateral are given, 76 degree, 54 degree and 108 degree. Find the fourth angle. So let the fourth angle be x degree. We know that sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So x plus 76 plus 54 plus 108 equal to 360. So it is a linear equation in one variable. So x plus sum of these three angle equal to 238 equal to 360. So x equal to 360 plus 238, so x equal to 122. So fourth angle is 122 degree. Question number 5. Ratio of the four angle of the quadrilateral are given 3:5:7:9. So let the common factor be x. So 4 angles are 3x degree, 5x degree, 7x degree and 9x degree. We know that sum of the 4 angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x equal to 360. So it is a linear equation in one variable. So 24x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 by 24 equal to 15. So x equal to 15. Now the 4 angles are 3x degree equal to 3 into 15 equal to 45 degree. 5x degree equal to 5 into 15 degree equal to 75 degree. 7x degree equal to 7 into 15 degree equal to 105 degree. And 9x degree equal to 9 into 15 equal to 135 degree. So 4 angles are 45 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree and 135 degree. One more. Question number 7. 3 angles of the quadrilateral are equal to each other. So let each of the equal angles are x degree each and fourth angle is 120 degree. So one of the angle is 120 degree it is given and remaining 3 angles are equal to each other. So let the 3 angles are x degree each. So according to the condition x plus x equal to 120 equal to 360. After solving x equal to 80, so 3 equal angles are 80 degree each. Now question number 9. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral and the bisectors of angle A and angle B intersect at the point P. Angle C equal to 100 degree, angle D equal to 60 degree it is given. Find the angle APB. So angle ADC 60 degree, angle BCD equal to 100 degree and AP and PB are the bisector of angle A and angle B it is given. Now half of angle DAB, this is the bisector. So half of angle DAB equal to angle PAB, this one, and similarly half of angle CBA equal to PBA, this angle. It is written there. We know that the sum of the 4 angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So sum of this 4 angle ABCD, that means angle DAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle DC equal to 360 degree. So DAB plus ABC plus these are to give an angle 100 degree and 60 degree equal to 360. So DAB, angle DAB plus angle ABC equal to 360 minus 160 equal to 200. Now multiply both sides by half. So 1 by 2 into DAB plus ABC equal to half into 200. So multiply this DAB and ABC by half. So 1 by 2 into angle DAB plus 1 by 2 into angle ABC equal to 100 degree. Now half of DAB, so half of DAB equal to PAB. So half of angle DAB equal to PAB and half of angle ABC equal to PBA. So PAB plus PBA, that means PAB, this angle plus this angle equal to 100 degree. This is the relation 1. Now in triangle APB, sum of the 3 angles of a triangle 180 degree. Now sum of these 2 angles is 100 degree, it is already proved. So 100 plus APB equal to 80 degree, 180 degree. So APB equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. So angle APB equal to 80 degree. Thank you.